Have you ever wondered if there were a quick way to make a warm breakfast of poached eggs, without the hassle of wondering if they were done, or were as hard as marbles?
Well, we have the kitchen trick for you, and it only takes a few seconds.
Hi, this is Connie, with another quick kitchen tip for a warm and fresh breakfast.
And this is her accomplice, Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
Today we're going to go over an easy and quick way to poach eggs, without needing a timer and a bunch of frustration. You'll need some basic kitchen ingredients and kitchen tools and procedures shown on this list. Or you can review them in the Show More section below.
Let's get into it.
Start by breaking the eggs into shallow microwavables. Add a pinch of salt to each egg. It helps to retain some of the egg's moisture and also adds flavor. Then add cold water to the top of the egg, just so that the water completely covers the egg. Place the eggs into the microwave, and cover with a microwavable saucer. This is an optional step, but it helps to retain moisture and poach the eggs more evenly. If you're only poaching one egg, set the microwave on the medium setting for 30 seconds. And if doing 2 eggs at a time, as we are, set it for 50 seconds.
Each micro varies, so you may need to adjust your settings accordingly. It's best to initially start with a lower time setting, and then adjust by a few seconds until you get an idea how many seconds it will take. Thanks to time-lapse, the eggs are done.
After carefully removing the eggs from the micro, drain the water from the eggs. Bon appetit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also check out our website, Equipmenjjjjt.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.